Hey everyone, welcome to Sheeba's Cookery World. In today's video, let's see the recipe of a simple baby corn starter, baby corn pepper fry. Click the red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notification of new videos. Let's get started with the recipe. In order to make the baby corn pepper fry, you will need some fresh baby corn. Take each of the baby corn and cut them at an angle. I have used one packet of baby corn which we usually get in the market. Let's prepare a batter now to coat these baby corn pieces. Into a bowl, add in some all-purpose flour, followed by some corn flour or cornstarch. Add in some black pepper powder, some salt as per your taste, and some ginger garlic paste. Now add in little water at a time and make a smooth batter. Ensure that there are no lumps. Your batter should not be too very runny nor too thick. Add in some finely chopped curry leaves to this batter. It gives a real nice flavor to the starter. Give it a good mix. Now add the baby corn pieces into this batter. Coat them evenly with the batter. Let's now fry the baby corn. Pour some cooking oil into a pan. Once the oil turns hot, drop in the baby corn pieces one by one. Keep the flame high and do not stir the baby corn. This will ensure that the batter does not separate out from the baby corn. After about a minute or two, you can start stirring them and fry them from all the sides. Once the baby corn turns crisp and slightly brown, you can take them out from the oil and place them on a kitchen towel. You can fry these baby corn pieces in two batches rather than overcrowding them. Now my second batch of baby corn is also ready. I'm going to transfer it onto a kitchen towel. Next, I'm going to take a green capsicum and cut them into square pieces. I have cut out long strips and then I'm going to cut each of them into smaller square pieces. Next, I'm going to take an onion and cut them again into square pieces. Now all my ingredients are ready. Let's start making the baby corn pepper fry. Take a pan which is wide enough and pour some cooking oil into it. Once the oil turns hot, add in some finely chopped garlic, chopped green chilies, some chopped spring onion. Saute this for a couple of minutes. If you use a wide pan, it becomes quite easy for you to mix all of the ingredients. Next, add a lot of fresh curry leaves. The curry leaves give a nice flavor to this dish. Add in some turmeric powder and saute again. Now I'm going to add the capsicum and the onion pieces into this. Add in some salt, some black pepper powder, and mix it. Saute for a couple of minutes until the capsicum and onion turn slightly soft. You can now add in the fried baby corn. Give this a real good mix until the baby corn gets evenly coated with the masala. Finally, you can garnish it with some freshly chopped coriander leaves. The baby corn pepper fry is now ready to be served. I'm gonna transfer this into a serving bowl. I'm gonna sprinkle some crushed peppercorn on top. Add in some coriander leaves and then sprinkle some lemon juice. You can serve this as a starter or as a side dish, and it goes extremely well with either rice or roti. You can adjust the spiciness depending upon your taste, either by adding more green chilies or black pepper. So do try this recipe and let me know how it turns out. Give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and post your feedback in the comment section below. Click below to subscribe to my channel. And follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter and Blogger. Do check out some of the other interesting recipes on my channel below. Thanks for watching.